Hello you guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be trying to hack my Rubik's Cube. So yeah. This is definitely not a tutorial on how to hack your Rubik's Cube. But I want you guys to think, okay, so like right now I want you guys to comment down below if you think that I can actually hack my Rubik's Cube. If you think that I can hack my Rubik's Cube, comment down below. No, give my video a big like if you think I can like hack it. So if you watch it, like my video if you think that I can hack it. So like this first minute that I'm talking, like my video if you think I can hack it. And comment down below if you think I can. You guys have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Like or comment. Okay, so I took all the pieces like this. They're just cubes now. So yeah, I really think I can hack it because I've tried really hard so far. So it's probably going to be hacking this thing. I realized, you know, you can't actually move the middle pieces. So yeah, let's hack. Okay, I think I'm hacking it here. Oh, go back. Oh! Oh God. Ah! I got it, but I don't know how to keep it in place. Like, oh my gosh. I have it, but I don't know how to keep it in place here. So like, you guys, oh. I think I can get it. This is so hard though. I need my glue. Okay, I got it, okay. I think I actually got it this time. I'm 90% sure I have it. Oh. Okay. Goes right here. Ah, okay, this thing won't stay, but I know what I'm doing, kind of. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is hard. Like, I know what I'm doing, but like, it's hard to keep it on. Y'all know I have to sing. Okay. Oh my god. Stop it. Oh god. Okay, I hacked almost the whole entire pink side. Okay. Pink side is actually almost done. So, looks like I'm going to be able to finish this. Or at least the pink side. And I just completed the pink side. I completed the pink side. You guys, I might hack this. Oh my god, you guys, it's been 9 minutes and I got this done. It's like a minute a cube maybe? Okay, time for the green.
Jordan, Felice, it's Faith and Caleb. Hey, I'm Kelly, and I gotta say, one of my favorite Christmas gifts, our new rescue kitty, Cole. So stinking cute. He's 8 months old, jet black, yellow eyes. He's awesome. You can see him on the Scott Kelly Facebook page. But there is another rescue kitty who has become a star. In North Carolina, there's a rescued cat that became an overnight internet celebrity after users noticed her striking likeness to the new Star Wars character, Baby Yoda. They're calling her Baby Yoda cat. Images are going viral on social media. And a shelter spokesperson said Baby Yoda cat plans to be a spokes kitty for all the homeless animals around the world that are in need of a home. And honestly, this cat is so cute. It really does look like Baby Yoda. And of course, Baby Yoda, so stinking cute. Kittens, so cute. The combo, overload of cuteness. Just adorable. And you can track her progress. You can follow Baby Yoda Cat on Facebook. And they do want to remind you, even if you don't get to take Baby
Okay.
Yoda Cat home,
I think I actually got it now.
crowded with equally adorable and loving pets. And again, trust me, as one who has just adopted one a few days ago, when that warm, purring body is sitting in your lap, you won't regret it. Caleb is positive. It's one of those days.
Okay.
You hear the right song.
I feel like I hacked
the
it.
right time, and you're reminded that God is right there with you. That moment
I can't believe I'm about to hack this thing. Oh my god. Oh, this is so insane. This is insane. Insanity. Because, like, I didn't think I was going to be able to hack it. That quick. Oh my god, this is so insane though. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm actually going to finish the green here.
Connect with Judd Wilhite at Caleb.com. Keyword encouragement. This season all about celebrating the birth of Jesus. And when we think about why Jesus was born, so he could die for you and me.
I got it. Okay, I'm almost finished.
John 3:16.
I have 3 more pieces, but I only have 2.
So that everyone who believes in him will not perish, but have eternal life. I'm Amy from the Skip and Amy Show, and that's your Caleb verse of the day.
More music starting now.
Positive,
And-
encouraging Caleb.
Are you disappointed?
Are you disappointed?
I literally only have 1 more.
Are you desperate for help?
1 more!
It's like to be tied, only a shadow of your
So this one I dropped. So
start to believe you don't have what it takes. 'Cause it's all you can do, just a little much less finish the race.
give me a second. I'm in the car. So yeah. Whatever, you guys. I actually hacked the Rubik's Cube. Oh my gosh. I hacked that. I hacked that thing! I freaking hacked it. Oh my god. I have to find the other piece though. Other than that, like, I hacked the Rubik's Cube. I'm so excited, you guys. How did I hack it? I don't know. I just know I hacked it. So crazy that I hacked my Rubik's Cube. If you guys actually want to see some more videos relating to this, comment down below. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, let me bring up my Kahoot again. Like I said, I'm actually really gonna do that. I'm just not so sure when. But that is actually going to be happening. Just so you guys know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below, like, how you feel about me hacking the Rubik's Cube, which is pretty much crazy, insane that I hacked it. Oh my god, I cannot believe I freaking hacked the Rubik's Cube. That is insane. I hacked a Rubik's Cube. I don't do this type. I did not think I can actually do that. That says that I hacked it. But if you guys see this video, like, I don't know. I'm definitely going to be making a video about how you hack this Rubik's Cube. So, like, let's do that. If I do not post tomorrow, forgive me, I know I haven't posted at all. So, I mean, yeah, but it's not that bad, I guess. This is actually pretty cool. So, I know some other cool, like, things you can do. So, yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm so sorry I didn't give you, like, the view of me building this or nothing. But I'm definitely going to do one video of how to hack the Rubik's Cube. And other than that, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. You know, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell. Like, y'all need to do this. I know that as soon as, okay, so I only have 4 subscribers to my YouTube channel. I know as soon as I hit 10 subscribers, I'm going to play my Kahoot. So, the quicker I get 10 subscribers, and I mean, yeah, so, but that's it. I mean, I keep saying don't forget to like and subscribe. I have to end my video, y'all. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn those post notifications on. Yeah, bye.